Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do a get ready with me for Christian housewarming prayer. So yes, last weekend I visited my friend's housewarming party and I thought of doing this look for you guys. So if you want to know how to achieve it, then please keep on watching. So first of all, I am going to moisturize my face using this Nivea moisturizing cream and massaging it nicely on my face. Moving on to the lips, I am using this Vaadi lip balm in flavor strawberry because I am going to apply a matte lipstick for this look. Now for my makeup base, I am using this Alainne DD mousse. I have already reviewed this product and I am currently liking it. So if you want to know the review of this product, then please check the link in the description box. I am going to massage it nicely with the help of my finger. And later I am going to move on the outer part of my face to get a little bit of more coverage, and again blending it with the help of my finger. I am going to blend it again with the help of a makeup sponge. I am currently liking this makeup sponge. You can easily find it out in the local store. They are also called makeup wedges. They are very affordable and easy to find, and it works wonder. As you can see that it helps in blending the makeup very nicely, and it really works like beauty blender. Now for my eyebrows, I am using Maybelline Fashion Brow Pencil in shade brown because this is a daytime look, so I am going a little easy on my brows and just going to fill the gaps with very light hand strokes. Now for my eye makeup, I am taking this Faces Kohl pencil and going to draw a rough liner. I am not going to draw a very neat and clean liner over here because later I am going to smudge it out with the brown eyeshadow. With the same Kohl pencil, I am going to apply it on my upper waterline. Now taking this brown color from my Beauty Big Bang palette, I am going to smudge out that kohl which I have applied as a liner. This will give very light smoky look which looks very nice in the daytime. And here I am using this color bar smudging brush. This brush is absolutely fine. If you're a beginner, then I suggest you to use this one, and it works really very great. For my lower waterline, I am going to use this NYX jumbo pencil because I want my eyes to look little bright and pop up. And now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and going to apply lots of mascara, and here I am using Essence mascara. Earlier I wanted to apply falsies, but then I switched on to mascara only and continued with it. I am currently loving this mascara a lot. It gives nice volume and length to my lashes. Again, I have done a full review of this product. If you want to know, then I will put the link in the description box. Moving on to the face, I am using this sculpting palette from Ulta, and taking that bronzy color, I am going to apply on my cheek and contour my face a bit. It's a very natural palette. It gives very natural look. Taking this highlighter color, I am going to highlight my face and put it on my brow bone as well, and like making a C sort of a angle. And this is the way I like most applying highlighters because it gives very natural look, and as you can see, this palette is very nice. And I'm going to apply it a little bit on above my brows, on the bridge of my nose, forehead and chin. It gives instant glow to my face, which I really like. And finally, for my lips, I am using this packed lipstick. It is in shade brown. I will confirm the number in the description box, so please do check it out. So here I am done with my makeup, and later I am going to do my hairstyle. So for my hairstyle, I am going to part my hair from the side or I am going to do a side parting. And making a rough or very uh, messy rope braid from one side. I'm just going to include a little bit of hair and include it in the rope braid, and later I'm going to secure it behind the other ear with the help of bobby pins. This is very easy hairstyle and it looks great, especially if you want to keep your hair open. So this is the best way to keep your hair away from your face, and at the same time you can keep it open as well. So here I am going to secure it behind the other ear, and yes, I am done with my hairstyle. I am pulling a little bit of hair so that it can look a little more messy, and yes, I am done with my hairstyle. For my ear, I am going to use this pearl studs, and I have applied this Stay Quirky matte nail paint, and I am going to wear my watch, which is from Titan Raga, and these black heels. Finally, I am carrying my sling bag, and this dress is from Myntra. So yes, here completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you have any suggestion, then please do leave it in the comment bar, and I will see you real soon. Bye bye.